In this video, we'll take a look at how to document your cables using OZmap. When you look at your project, you can already see that you have several different types of cables. Each type was previously created here in the side menu, in the Types tab of OZmap, and we have a video here on the channel about it if you want to check it out first and set up your types. To add cables, you can add them manually or by importing a CSV file. To add manually, first you go here, under Network Expansion, and click on this icon. If you already know which elements, pop, box, client, are at each end of this cable, you click on the first, and then where it ends. If you don't have these elements yet, when you create it, these options will appear, which lead you to create boxes, which will be at the ends for the cable to be able to support itself, like this here. You can route this cable in a few different ways. You can click on the map according to the route it takes. Pole by pole, or point by point along the cable route. You can press Ctrl, which will turn the mouse cursor green, so that you can hover over the poles without having to click. You can also create a cable without past the posts. Just click on the starting element, an end element, and then connect to all the posts along the way. You can do this by right-clicking on the cable and selecting Connect to Pole. That way. Then you can give your cable a name. Choose a type. You can also choose a level. It's also configured according to the levels you use in your company. A color, which can be the color of the type, which it already comes in, or you can choose another one if you want. The implantation status, if it's a cable that hasn't been implanted yet, will look like this, dotted like this on the map. If it is implanted, it will be filled in like this. And if you want, you can add your comments here. You can also import several cables at once. To do this, just go here to Import Data, and select your CSV cable file, which can come with a lot of details, if you wish. What's different about this file is that it requires the type, level, and points. These points mean which poles or points the cables pass through. So, the text will be in coordinate format. If you need more details on importing, just check out our video on the subject or talk to us. See you next time.